Hey there, friends. Welcome back to Everyday English with Bob. Today we're going to learn something super useful. How to introduce yourself in English. Yeah, I know. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," it feels scary, right? Even native speakers get nervous. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to talk about yourself with confidence. You'll learn how to say your name, where you're from, what you do, and more. By the end of this lesson, you'll have your very own self-introduction, ready to use anytime, anywhere, at school, in a job interview, or even at a party. And here's the fun part. We'll also build your sentences together so they sound natural and smooth. Plus, I'll give you some speaking practice after each conversation. So get ready to repeat with me, okay? All right, let's jump into the first part, how to greet someone when you start your self-introduction. Let's go.
Hi there, my name's Cassidy. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Cassidy. I'm John. Nice to meet you, too.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. A little tired, but happy to be here. And you?
I'm great, thanks. It's my first English class, so I'm a bit nervous.
No worries. Everyone feels that way at the beginning.
Yeah, I guess so. By the way, do you say hi or hello usually?
I usually say hi to friends and hello in formal places.
Good tip. Okay, I'll try hi with classmates and hello with the teacher.
Awesome. That was a great little chat between Cassidy and John, right? Let's look at some useful phrases they used and practice them together. Now repeat with me. Hi there, my name's Cassidy. Nice to meet you. How are you today? I'm good, thanks. It's my first English class. I'm a bit nervous. No worries. I usually say hi to friends. Good tip. When you greet someone new, just smile and keep it simple. Hi and hello always work. And nice to meet you is perfect for first-time meetings.
So, John, where are you from?
I'm from Chicago in the U.S. What about you?
I come from Hanoi, Vietnam.
Oh, cool. I've heard Hanoi is beautiful.
Thanks. It's a busy city, but I love it.
Have you lived here long?
Yes, I've been living here in London for 2 years.
Nice. I just moved here last month. Still getting used to the weather.
Haha, yeah. London weather is a surprise every day.
Nice. Now you've seen how to say your name and where you're from in a conversation. Let's learn the key phrases and practice together. Now repeat with me. Where are you from? I'm from Chicago. I come from Hanoi. Have you lived here long? I've been living here for 2 years. I just moved here last month. Still getting used to the weather. London weather is a surprise every day. You can say I'm from or I come. If you moved recently, say I just moved here. And don't forget, you can make small jokes about the weather. It makes the conversation friendly.
So, Cassidy, what do you do? Do you work or study?
I work. I'm a graphic designer at a small company.
Nice. That sounds fun. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I love being creative. What about you?
I work in sales. I just started a new job at a tech company.
That's great. Is it going well?
Yeah, so far, so good. I'm still learning the ropes.
I get that. Every new job takes time, right?
Great job, everyone. Did you hear those simple work phrases? Let's go over them now and then practice together. Now repeat with me. What do you do? I'm a graphic designer. I work at a small company. I work in sales. I just started a new job. So far, so good. I'm still learning the ropes. Every new job takes time. Use I work as a or I work at in to talk about your job. If you're a student, say I study or I'm a student at.
So, did you study anything related to sales before?
Yes, I have a degree in business. What about you?
I studied design at university. I'm also taking an online course in digital marketing now.
Oh, that's smart. Extra skills are always helpful.
Exactly. It's a short 3-month course, but I'm learning a lot.
That's great. I'm thinking about doing a course too. Maybe something in communication.
Go for it. Learning never stops, right?
Nice and natural. Talking about your studies is super useful, especially in job interviews or when meeting new people. Let's practice the key phrases. Now repeat with me. I have a degree in business. I studied design at university. I'm taking an online course in digital marketing. It's a short 3-month course. I'm learning a lot. I'm thinking about doing a course. Learning never stops. Say I have a degree in, or I studied, to talk about your education. For courses, you can say I'm taking a course in, or I've completed a course on.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I really enjoy painting. I'm also a big fan of hiking on weekends.
Nice. I like hiking too. I usually go with my dog.
Oh, that's cute. What's your dog's name?
His name is Max. He's small but super energetic.
Haha, sounds fun. Oh, fun fact about me, I can play the ukulele.
Wow, that's cool. Okay, fun fact about me. I once ate a whole pizza by myself in 5 minutes.
Whoa, that's impressive and maybe a little crazy.
That was fun, wasn't it? Sharing hobbies and fun facts is a great way to make friends. Now let's go over some phrases and practice together. Now repeat with me. What do you like to do in your free time? I really enjoy painting. I'm a big fan of hiking. I usually go with my dog. Fun fact about me, I can play the ukulele. I once ate a whole pizza by myself. That's impressive. Sounds fun. Use I really enjoy or I'm a big fan of to talk about hobbies. And for fun facts, just start with fun fact about me. It's a great icebreaker.
Can I ask, how old are you, John?
Sure, I'm 28. How about you?
I'm 26.
Cool. Still in our 20s.
Yep, some people say I look younger, though.
That's a good thing. I say enjoy it while it lasts.
Short and simple. But age can be tricky, so let's practice the easy way to talk about it. Now repeat with me. How old are you? I'm 28. I'm 26. People say I look younger. Enjoy it while it lasts. You can say your exact age. I'm 25. Or if you don't want to be exact, say, I'm in my early, mid-late 20s. Example, I'm in my late 30s. Okay, now it's time to put everything together. Let me show you how it sounds in a short, smooth self-introduction. Hi, my name's Bob. I'm 30 years old and I'm from Toronto, Canada. I work as an English teacher and I have a degree in education. I've been living in Vietnam for 2 years now. In my free time, I enjoy cycling and cooking. Fun fact about me, I once made pasta for 50 people at a wedding. Pretty cool, right? Now it's your turn. Write your self-introduction in the comments and share your fun fact too. All right, my awesome English learners, great job today. You've just learned how to introduce yourself with confidence and style. We practiced greetings, talking about where you're from, your job, your studies, hobbies, even fun facts and age. That's a full package. Don't forget to write your introduction below and help each other out in the comments. I'll be reading and giving feedback too. Like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to join the English fun, and click the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. You got this. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time on Everyday English with Bob.